Hello, what up my people? So today I'm going to be sharing my trade recap on GBPJPY. Today being 13th of February 2025, I caught a sniper entry trade on GBPJPY. Also on this trade recap, I'm also going to be sharing my 88% win rate strategy on all my Forex peers. Join me on my screen so that I can show you this sweet sniper entry and the confirmation I used before I enter this trade. So join me on my screen. So welcome back to my screen, guys. So like I said, I'm going to be sharing my trade recap on GJ. So this is the chart for GJ, and we are actually on the this is the chart for GJ, and we are actually on the 30 minutes time frame. We are on the 30 minutes time frame. So when I came to the 30 minutes time frame, the first thing I look for is my breakup structure. Now, if I have a breakup structure, I'm surely going to have an order block under. So if I look at here on the 30 minutes time frame, I have an order block here. So this is my 30 minutes point of interest. This is my 30 minutes point of interest. So my strategy goes with 4 rules: breakup structure, order block, inducement, then I look for my entry. So these are, let's count our entry, let's count our rules together. We have a breakup structure here, we have an order block here, and we also have an inducement here. I intentionally did not draw this inducement. I wanted us to start this recap first. And we have an inducement here. This is our inducement here. So if we have all these confirmations, the next thing we are looking at is to go to a lower time frame to go and confirm our entry. Is to go to the lower time frame to confirm what? Our entry. So like I said, let me count our rules for our strategy. Breakup structure, this is our breakup structure. Order block, this is our order block and also our point of interest. Inducement, this is our inducement, and we will go to the lower time frame to look for our entry. So now what we are going to go to the 15 minutes time frame first to see how the market is on the 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame, as you can see, we did the order block here has been mitigated already, but on the 30 minutes time frame, it hasn't been mitigated. If you look at here, the order block has been mitigated by this small candle. This one too, it has been mitigated by this small candle. So for my confirmation, I use 5 minutes time frame for my confirmation. So on the normal day, I'll go to my 5 minutes time frame to go and see my confirmation. Now, if you look at the 30 minutes time frame, we will notice that our order block candle is a very large candle. Our order block candle is very large. So if our order candle is large, what strategy do I use for order blocks that are the candles are very big? I use my fib level to know where my precise entry is. So now what do? I go to my Fibonacci. I will mark the top of the candle to the bottom of the candle. Now, where would I be placing my trade? I'll be placing my trade at the 0.5 level. 0.5 level, and this is the 0.5 level. Okay, let's do some settings here so that we can have our levels on the right. So this is the 0.5 level. This is the 0.5 level. That means I would be entering at the half of this candle. Half of this candle, that's the 0.5 level of this candle. And as you can see, the moment the candle touched our 0.5 or it mitigated our 0.5, it gave us a nice reaction. Now, our rules comes with other information or other rules too. Now, while going to our point of interest, I always say this, while going to our point of interest, what are you looking at? Consolidation before my point of interest. Consolidation before my point of interest. So here we can call this place a consolidation. This is a consolidation area, and this is the momentum area. This candle here came with a lot of momentum to come and enter our point of interest. So the moment I saw this momentum, I knew that this particular candle, this particular point of interest is going to hold the market. So what I did is, the moment the first candle mitigated my point of interest, I didn't enter immediately. The second candle created, I didn't also enter immediately. I made sure I waited for the 0.5 level. Now, if you look at this place, you will notice that inside my point of interest, I had liquidity sweep two times. So my main confluence in my strategy is that liquidity sweep inside my point of interest or outside my point of interest. So I had a liquidity sweep here in my point of interest. I had a liquidity sweep here. I had a liquidity sweep here. Can you see? It swept this liquidity. The third time, the first time it came, it created this low. The next candle swept this liquidity. The next candle, the third candle, also swept this liquidity. And this third candle mitigated our 0.5 level. That's half of our order block. And the moment the candle mitigated that 0.5 level, the market started reacting to the upside. So let's go back to our 5 minutes time frame to confirm the criteria we use to enter this trade. The criteria we use to enter this trade. So I've already drawn my point of interest already, and I knew that this line in the middle is the 0.5 level. So the moment the market broke into this my level, that was when I entered the market. I entered the market and I rallied this market to this particular zone. I rallied the market to this zone from here to this zone. So that's how I actually caught this sniper entry, sweet GBP USD sniper entry. That's how I actually caught this trade. And this morning, I actually have a confluence already that I am actually in. I'm into another trade. That's Friday, this Friday of 14th of February 2025. The moment I saw a liquidity sweep on this particular low here, I entered the market. When I entered the market, the first one took my stop loss out. And when I saw this level being broken, this is a level. This is a resistance level. When I saw the level being broken, I knew that this market was going to mitigate this I knew it was going to mitigate this particular liquidity run. Now I entered the trade on the 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame, what I saw is immediately I saw a liquidity sweep, like I said. Immediately I saw a liquidity sweep. I knew that if this market break this particular level, it's surely going to take out this liquidity and also take out this particular liquidity too. So my first take profit is here, while my second take profit is here. So that's how I actually caught this sweet trade on Thursday, and this is my Friday trade too. So thanks for watching my trade recap, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace out.